Here we have a hand mixer. It looks like this. That is the package. And let's analyze it. So it's made by Switch On. It was bought from Kaufland. It's a hand mixer. It has a practical eject button to remove the attachments with ease. That is the eject button, and that should be removed. Those turbo boost button, which is this one, activates maximum speed from current speed setting. So if you are on the first speed and press the turbo, it will jump up to the 5th speed. The speed is variable from that one. To the left is slower, to the right is faster. 300 watts is the motor, the power consumption of the motor, I guess. Power cord's length is 1.5 meter. Turbo function, that's the maximum speed, which is this lower button, and the variable speed, which is this middle one. And we have those two type of tools. This is for a thicker one, and that's for lighter ones. That's for foam. Hand mixer. It has Romanian also. Tastă practică de eliberare pentru îndepărtarea ușoară a accesorilor, 5 trepte de viteză, buton turbo, 2 cârlige de aluat, mânere ergonomic, putere 300 de W. Here we have some pictures with the two type of food preparings. Let's open it. It was already opened once in the shop. And that's the box. That's the first tool, the spiral. First set of tools. They look like this. One has a circle, the other one does not have it. So you must insert one in one side of the device and the other in the other side. That's the second one for the foam cream. They look like this. They are at an angle. They are not bent accidentally. And the same thing, this one has a circle, the other one does not have it. And these are cylindrical, they are not flat type, and they are all metal, so no plastic here, fully metal. The other one also. It has a manual, it looks like this. It has a QR code. The tool itself looks like this. Those are the available languages. And an interesting thing is mentioned somewhere, there is no English, so I will show it in Romanian. The maximum time of usage is limited to 10 minutes. Timp de operare continuă 10 minute. So continuous operation should be maximum 10 minutes. And then put it down and let it cool down. Here's the tool itself, the gadget device. The cable is kind of thin. So it looks like this. Air can enter there. It has a plastic fan inside and air can exit there, I guess. And those are the buttons. A push button, variable speed in increments, and a thing to push out those tools. I cannot press them. The one on the left is marked with that circular shape. The other one is not marked. And those are plastic, so you insert metal into plastic. And here we have the 10 minutes of food mixer and 300 watts. So that's the interesting part of this mixer. Power is here on the right side, lower right. And everything seems to be plastic. It has 4 screws there and they are removable, not some interesting weird protective screws, but they are removable. So let's insert the one which has this circular portion into the left one, because that is marked circular. Now this has those two little things on the side, and here we have a plus sign. And just push it in, so it should be inside, and you can manually remove it also, but your hand might get dirty when you are using it. Okay, and hope I won't break it. Maybe it requires power, I'm not sure. Let's just test it. Set it to 0. By the way, what happens if I leave it on 1? Let's see, first try. Here we have power. I have a switch also, so it's disconnected. Now I will switch it on. Is it visible? Yes, so don't forget it on 1. Put it always on 0, because otherwise it will start. So now it started from there, and it does not start because it's on 0. So they are moving, wobbling. That's the first speed. Second. Now what will turbo do? It does not start it, but if it's on 1, then it sets it to 5 and it returns to 1. Don't touch them. They are not too straight, they are moving left and right. 0. Is it electric or mechanic? It's mechanic. So they should jump out. Let's exercise a little bit. Insert them. I had to rotate it a little bit and just push this button and they should jump out. So if they are dirty, take care because they will fly away, so better hold them. It even jumped out from my hand. So hold it with your hand and then push the button. Otherwise it will jump out. Will it jump even up? Let's see. Yes, it will jump even up. Okay, you can start it without anything. Air is exiting here on the side. And don't block that one because air is entering here. Let's test these also. By the way, what will happen if I insert them in the wrong direction? This does not have a circle. The other one has it. It doesn't even enter because this is a wider opening, that's a smaller opening. So one is larger, the other one is smaller. You cannot insert this there because that circle will block it. Why is that important? Maybe they will collide. Let's take a look. So they are rotating, of course, in the opposite direction, otherwise they could not pass one next to the other. Till here it works fine.